The Indian Super League organizers, Football Sports Development Limited (FSDL), has officially announced today that East Bengal will be a part of ISL from 2021 season. East Bengal became the 11th franchisee in the Indian Super League as Nita Ambani, founder and chairperson of Football Sports Development Limited, welcomed the Red and Gold Brigade for the 7th edition of India's top football league. Nita Ambani said, "It is such a happy and proud moment for ISL as we welcome East Bengal FC and their millions of fans into this league. The inclusion of both legacy club, that is East Bengal and Mohun Bagan, opens limitless possibilities for Indian football, especially for talent development in this state. West Bengal has made an immense contribution to the growth of the beautiful game in India. ISL's growing footprint in the state and across India is yet another step towards their mission of building a competitive and robust football ecosystem in this country," she told. The other 10 teams in this Indian Super League are ATK Mohun Bagan, Mumbai City FC, Odisha FC, Northeast United FC, Hyderabad FC, Bengaluru FC, Chennaiyin FC, FC Goa, Kerala Blasters, and Jamshedpur FC. The 7th edition of ISL will likely to be held between November to March with the concept of a biosecure environment in Goa, with matches played behind closed doors at mainly three venues: Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Fatorda, GMC Athletic Stadium, Bambolim, and Tilak Maidan Stadium, Vasco. So, East Bengal's arch rivals Mohun Bagan, after its merger with ATK, will also debut in this ISL season. The entry of East Bengal in ISL means the continuation of 130-year-old rivalry with Mohun Bagan, as the Kolkata Derby will be played in this ISL for the first time. The Kolkata Derby between ATK Mohun Bagan and East Bengal FC, hence, without a doubt, will be the new marquee fixture of this competition. The only exception is the contest will be played behind closed doors. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe and press the bell button to receive notifications.